Oxpecker Cleaning Service, specializing in large beasts. Ticks got you dancing in an ear-flapping way? Try our basic tick removal plan today. We bring our own equipment, sharp claws, and flattened beaks to comb, pick, and groom your hide until it shines and squeaks. Got earwax? Dead skin? We're the best. Deep wound cleaning upon request. Trustworthy, dependable, professional crew with years of experience bringing out the best you. Call 1-800-CLEAN-ME. Clean is our guarantee. Oxpeckers spend most of their lives perched on the backs, necks, and heads of large African mammals. These birds aren't just there to get a free ride to the water hole. It's how they feed themselves. Their survival depends on the abundance of insects and other edible bits they find hidden in the animals' coats. This arrangement benefits both bird and mammal. So this word hide here is a homograph. They're not referring to like trying to not be seen. So what kind of hide is the poet talking about in that line?